Tiiger presents the precision-engineered and job-proven Tiiger pole puller for the safe, quick, and economical removal of utility poles. Gone are the days of struggling with stubborn utility poles in difficult terrain, tying up large crews and heavy equipment for hours on a single removal. The line truck approaches the work site and is properly positioned with the outriggers extended for a stable work platform. With safety a major concern, the selected pole is properly secured with the boom, utilizing both the boom-mounted pole claw and a sling. Do not use the boom truck to loosen or attempt to pull the pole. This is not the right tool for the job and will only result in damage to the boom truck and, in some cases, cause personal injury. The ultra-lightweight and simple-to-use Tiiger pole puller is the right tool for the job. The individual components are removed from the truck and taken to an area adjacent to the selected pole to be removed. These components will be quickly and systematically assembled at the pole removal site. They include the hydraulic cylinder, swivel assembly, base plate, and pole puller pad. The first component to be properly positioned is the pole puller pad. This pad is constructed of strong yet flexible high-density polyethylene that supports and prevents the base plate from sinking into soft soil. The base plate is lightweight, yet constructed with high-yield strength steel. It is designed with a unique round centering bar for proper placement of the cylinder and uniform distribution of the downward load. Properly positioned within the 4 bushings on the pad, the base is prevented from pushing away from the pole. The combination of the pad and base plate provides the lowest possible center of gravity and minimizes the potential for the cylinder to tip. A pole can be cut only 14 inches above ground and still allow the use of the Tiiger pole puller. The heart of the system is an ultra-lightweight hydraulic cylinder with a lift capacity exceeding 50,000 pounds. Weighing in at 57 pounds compared to most units weighing in excess of 100 pounds, it still provides a lifting capacity greater than or equal to other pole pullers. Requiring only a low-pressure hydraulic supply, limited to a maximum of 2,800 psi, the cylinder is manufactured with high-strength steel tubing, with a hard chrome-plated piston rod. The bottom of the piston is designed with a radius to accommodate secure positioning on the base plate. 2 handles make for an ergonomic design, resulting in low handling stress for the operator. A 16-inch stroke means 2 to 3 lifts per pole removal. Setting the pole puller pad, base plate, and cylinder is followed with equipping the unit with the swivel and hook assembly, a feature only available with the Tiiger pole puller. This ingenious device allows for the use of lighter chain, 1/2 inch grade 80, as the swivel provides for improved load distribution and a substantial reduction in the stress on the chain. The assembly is further designed with a non-slip faceplate with angled teeth to penetrate the pole to fully engage it during the pull. The chain is then attached to one of the stainless steel cast chain hooks and then loosely positioned around the pole and attached to the opposite chain hook. Added to this arrangement is the back plate, positioned directly opposite the swivel, and again equipped with a non-slip face. Another added feature is the stainless steel chain bar. Following the completion of assembling the components, the hydraulic lines are connected to the coupler on the cylinder facing away from the pole. The latch hook is then released, allowing the chain bar to drop. The angled motion down and away from the pole pre-tensions the chain and secures and engages the swivel faceplate and backplate into the pole surface. This pre-tensioning of the chain and compressive load created by the swivel and backplate allows for every inch of the puller's upward motion to dislodge the pole, further preventing any chain slippage or roll-up. The swivel and hook assembly is manufactured with high-yield strength steel, with the chain bar and hooks produced from heat-treated stainless steel. This assembly further allows for the lowest point of attachment of the chain and securing to the pole. If for some reason the swivel and hook assembly does not return to the down position, simply shake the cylinder, which will dislodge the swivel from the pole. Generally, all poles can be pulled with 2 complete cycles. The pole puller equipment is then removed from the work area, and having previously secured the pole with the boom truck, The pole can then be lifted and placed on a trailer for transportation.
It's real nice working with that. Saves a lot of time trying to pull it out other ways.
If you didn't have that tool, how do you get poles out of here?
Block and tackle onto the new pole, dig around, you're digging a lot, trying to loosen it up.
How long does it take?
Hours, days.
Really?
All depends on the ground.
So with this thing,
Saves a lot of time.
yeah. What else do you like about it other than time saving?
It saves the truck, like when you're using it like we did today with the truck there. I mean, you get the poles to come up without shaking the pole and without doing too much damage to the truck.
The Tiiger Cube, a compact gas-powered single-stage hydraulic pump, is designed for use in remote or confined spaces. The Tiiger Cube is specially designed for the Tiiger pole puller and is simple to operate. Set the on-off switch to on and open the fuel line switch. Set the choke and throttle, pull the recoil starter, and off we go. The Tiiger Cube is equipped with 10-inch all-terrain tires, providing ease of mobility. The pull dolly allows the pole to be easily moved by two persons, one steering the dolly and a second holding and guiding one end of the pole. Lifting a 45-foot pole and placing it on the Tiiger pole dolly and then moving in any direction is accomplished by positioning the pole in the roller cradle at the balance point of the pole. A unique feature, 180-degree steering allows complete mobility. The dolly is maneuverable in confined spaces, being only 32 inches wide. Constructed with high-yield strength steel, the pole dolly is equipped with large, turf-friendly tires mounted on hubs complete with sealed roller bearings. The axles incorporate machined kingpins, which operate with bronze bushings and equipped with grease fittings. There are 3 steering positions: front, left, or right side. The pole roller cradle is constructed with high-strength steel and equipped with high molecular weight polyethylene rollers, providing non-gripping surface and long service life free from corrosion. The basic pole dolly is also available with a second 2-wheel 180-degree steering dolly and a 3,000-pound capacity load deck for handling pad-mounted transformers or other electric components and tools. The Tiiger pole puller, cube, and pole dolly are lineman designed for lineman use. All Tiiger components are made in the USA to exacting manufacturing standards for long, trouble-free service life. Tiiger, the products that tame the beast.